Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 4th class Maths lecture 12. Now it says here, write the question. We have to divide these values and write the answer on the blanks. There are given 6 problems. I will be solving the very first 3 of them. Actually these problems are pretty easy. Like the first one, you can see it says 49,000 and I think yes, it's not 49,000, it's 4,900, and we have to divide 4,900 on 49. So 49 ones are 49, so the answer will be 100. You can solve it like this, and if you find any difficulty solving it like this, you can solve it like that too. 49 ones are 49, we get 0. For this 0 here, we have to add 49 zeros are 0, and for the last 0 here, we can add 49 zeros are 0, so we get 100 as an answer. And for this one, it's pretty easy. We can write 6500. Yes, sure. Ajay. 65 divides 10. We can cut 0 by 0, and we can get 650 as an answer. And for 8,000 divides 20, 0 will be cut with 0, and 2 4s are 8. Now the remaining thing 4, 0 and 0 makes 400. Now for the other ones, I can tell you the answers. 17 3s are 51, so the answer will be 300. And similarly, this problem and this problem could be solved here like that too. You have to write quotients here only, because this problem these values can be divided entirely on the divisor, so only quotient will be written in the answer. And because we do not get any remainder, so write the quotient here on the blanks. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.